Alright, I have one more example for you with trig and the unit circle. So suppose sine of theta equals 1/2, and that theta is between pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. Well, pi over 2 is 90 degrees, 3 pi over 2 is 270 degrees. So I'm just going to sketch out over here. So this is pi over 2, and down here is 3 pi over 2. And so my theta is somewhere between these two right here. So in this quadrant, quadrant 2, I know that I have negative, positive. And in quadrant 3 down here, I know I have negative, negative. Well, sine is y. Sine is my y value, and so it's positive, which means it has to be in quadrant 2. So I know that it has to lie in quadrant 2. And so then I look at it, okay, it's 1/2. Well, without figuring out my whole unit circle, 1/2, I draw my reference triangle right here. I know that y has to be 1/2, which that means this would be square root of 3 over 2, and this would be 1, and so this would be 30 degrees right here, but that 30 goes up from the x value. So from here I go up 30, 180 minus 30, that means this whole angle is going to be 150. From here to here is 150 degrees, or if we change that to radians, 150 times pi over 180, that's going to give us 5 pi over 6. And so then the coordinates of that point are going to be my x and y value, so it's going to be negative square root of 3 over 2 and 1/2. And so it says evaluate each of the following trig functions. So cosine of 5 pi over 6 is going to be negative square root of 3 over 2, because it's the x value, and then tangent of 5 pi over 6 is going to equal 1/2 divided by square root of 3 over 2. And so of course we're going to multiply by the reciprocal, so 1/2 times 2 over square root of 3. 2's cancel out, we get 1 over square root of 3. Rationalize the denominator, multiply the top and bottom by square root of 3. So we get square root of 3 over 3 for our tangent.